Hi, I'm Joel Afiatujan. I was a part of the GIZ AI Women Fellowship. I have a background in the performing arts. I dance, sing, and act. But quite recently, I've had a passion for tech, and that is how come I found myself in the tech space.
My name is Elsie Funko, and I have a background in project management. I'm interested in artificial intelligence, so I joined the GIZ AI Fellowship for Women program.
My name is Isia Penka. I have a background in marketing and mathematics, and I was part of the GIZ AI Fellowship for Women.
Being in a cohort with only women felt empowering.
It was initially daunting because I thought there was going to be a lot of chaos in the cohort, because when a lot of females come together, there seems to be a lot of fighting, tension here and there. But then I was proved wrong. I was amazed to be in the midst of exceptionally amazing, smart, and intelligent men. And I'm proud that I can always call on them and ask for assistance in the case of any problem that I encounter on the field.
Being part of a cohort only for women felt like being part of a family where we learn, grow, support, and empower each other onto greater heights in the AI space.
Initially, I thought AI was all about machines and teaching machines to do tasks for you, having them speak to you, and keeping you company and all that. But then this training has made it clear that yes, that is a part of AI, all right. But then AI is broader than I was thinking. So there's a normal, simple task of typing on your keyboard. It's the job of AI. A normal task of taking a phone and calling someone for the person to hear you at the other end is also a part of AI. So it's really broadened my knowledge in a very good way, and I really appreciate that a lot.
The fellowship program provided me with hands-on experience, mentorship, and a deeper understanding of AI concepts and tools.
My AI journey started when I joined the GIZ cohort. During this period, I developed my technical skills in data science, where I've been able to apply my domain knowledge with AI to solve real-world problems.
I am particularly excited about the future of AI, or the skills I've learned so far, and how it's going to impact my career. Because I so far haven't seen much work when it comes to merging AI or technology with the performing arts, and I think it's a great area that we can really work on, in the sense of using AI or machine learning to develop creative content like scripts. I'm looking forward to trying to develop models that can go as far as predicting movement, and then also do the normal tasks that we do on the daily, that is performing performance and audience analysis.
So the skills I have gained will significantly enhance my career prospects, enabling me to contribute to innovative AI projects and stay at the forefront of technology.
Being part of the marketing space, I will apply my new skills in making marketing strategies, such as target marketing and customer segmentation.
In the interim, I'm looking forward to being able to use my newly acquired skills in analytics to be able to perform performance analysis, audience analysis, and being able to predict trends for my company and help them with their publicity and then social media engagement.
I'm looking forward to using my AI skills to solve local problems, inspire other women in tech, and contribute to my community's growth and development. Many thanks to GIZ for this opportunity in studying artificial intelligence. I look forward to impacting lives with it.